Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorials I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful blouse with a drawstring at the side of the blouse. So if this is what you would love to learn, so let's just dive into the tutorials and I will be showing you details on how I made this. So the first thing we normally do, as we all know, our custom is to fold our fabric into two. We fold them into two, then we mark out the neck depth and the neck width, which I did. Now the neck depth that I took is 3 centimeter. The front neckline I measure 8 centimeters, you can see. Then I measure another 1 centimeter inward because I'm going to be making a v-neck. Then I have to join the back neckline together. So the back neck is 3 centimeter by 2 centimeter. Okay, so I'll be drafting that. So if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed, please do well to subscribe so that you can be updated anytime I load a new video. I really appreciate every one of my subscribers that are always coming back to the channel. God bless you. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you. So having done that, I will give it a curve there at the neck area. Then I will join the front neckline to the shoulder area. Having done that, I will now mark out I'm marking out the sleeve length. I'm actually using the whole of the fabric. So now I'm marking the armhole. So the armhole measurement depends on the measurement that you are using. So I'm using 13 centimeter, which I marked there. Then I'm also trying to draft out the length of the blouse. So obviously I'm using the whole of the length of the blouse, as you can see. Now I'm inserting the hip measurement, which is the largest size of my body. So I also added 3 centimeter to the hip measurement. So I added 1 centimeter for sewing and seam allowance. So I took the same length that I had there at the waist area and I brought it down to, at the hip area, I brought it down to the length of the dress, of the gown, of the top, the top. So I will now join them together. It's a very easy blouse that you can see, very easy. We're almost done. So ensure that the seam allowance you are going to be leaving, it should be up to 1 centimeter or 1.5. I used 1.5 so that I'll be able to do a closure at the two side of the blouse where I will be inserting the string. So ensure that you leave by the side from 1 centimeter to 2 centimeter, depending on how you want the closure to to be. If you want it big, if you want it small, depending on the size of the string. But I also use 1 centimeter for each string, so because of that I measure 1.5 centimeter for the allowance that I gave at the side of the dress. So also notch the place where the you are going to be inserting the string, where the closure will end. You understand? So now I'm cutting the neck area, the back neck first. Then I will open it up. I'll open it up and separate the back from the front so that I'll be able to cut out the v-neck. You ensure that the fabric they align together so that you can be able to cut out the shape of the neck very well. So having done this, now we open it up. Then we are going to be cutting a facing. I'm going to be putting a lapel because I'm going to be attaching a lapel to the neck area at the front and at the back. So there's no need for you to cut out a facing for it. So this one will just serve as a facing from the back to the front. So what I did was to measure out the neck area from the front to the back, and I also measure out this fabric, and I use the satin fabric for the lapel, and is 5 centimeter. So is if you don't know how to sew out or measure out this lapel, we'll be dropping a link for you to know how to sew a lapel. It's very easy. I've already done that before. You can check out on my channel. You will see where I made a boo dress with a lapel at the front. The same method you are going to use. So having done that, you get the midpoint of the blouse of the dress, and you attach it. Then the excess, you cut it out, then and you attach it to the neck area, as you can see. So I will be cutting out the excess. So I'm going to be cutting out the excess. So the same fabric I will be attaching it to the arm area, the armhole area. Then I will be stitching the two sides. Remember, you stitch according to the size of the string that you are going to be inputting. So what I did, my string was 1 centimeter, so I did a string opening, as in where I'm going to be attaching it. I measure at 1.5 centimeters so that the string can be able to go inside. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm trying to fold out, just fold in and sew. I will fold in the side allowance that I gave at the two side. I will fold it and sew it to 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 create the casing where the string is be going to be lying in. So this is the string I'm going to be inserting inside the case, inside the case at the side of the blouse. So all I will be cutting out four, and the four of them, they are 1 centimeter each, and the length was 24 centimeter, depending on how long you want the string to look like. You want the string to be very long, you can also make it more longer. So what I did, I sewed it later, and I know how to bring it out to the right side. So this was the method that I used. Other people can use a different method, but this is the method that I use. After sewing the wrong side, I have to turn it out to the right side. But you can also sew uh, directly on the right side by inserting, folding the fabric together and sew. But I prefer to use this one. There are different method of sewing a string. So the next thing now, I'm going to be inserting the string inside the case that I have already created at the two side of the blouse, as you can see. So I've already done it. I've already inserted one side, so I will be repeating it on the other side. As you can see, you see, that is the area where it started from. So I will now stitch that area down. Then I will be giving an opening at the side where you can be able to drag the string out and tie. Okay, you just make a little bit of knot there. So the next thing is for us to just aim the end of the blouse. So that will be the end of the tutorial. So that's it, guys. I believe that you learned something. If this is something that has given you an idea of how to sew a string, so kindly just give us a thumbs up and drop a comment for us. If something that you don't also understand, just drop a comment and let me explain in detail what I uh, I feel that you don't understand. So whatever question, drop it on my comment section, then I will be responding to it. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate. Thank you for always coming by. If you have not still subscribed till this time, please do where to subscribe. Help us to grow. I'll be dropping more tutorials, more interesting tutorials on this channel, where you can be learning more ideas of how to cut and sew. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.